So I'll be showing you how to update iTunes on your Windows computer. So if you want to run the latest version of iTunes, then you have to keep updating it. So first thing you want to do is close iTunes and then go to the Microsoft Store. You can either click on a shortcut in the taskbar, or you can click on the start button and then look for Store. Just type Store and then you can launch the Microsoft Store. Now the Microsoft Store launched. Just go to the search function and look for iTunes. Click on iTunes to open the iTunes page. And from here, if there's an update available, you will see this button change to update. So if it says update, just click on it and it updates. If it says open, like mine says, it means you're running the latest version of iTunes, and so you don't need to do anything. You're good to go. So that is basically how you can update iTunes on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.